diaphragm breathing is a very important part for your health. And oftentimes, even when stretching, if you can't breathe comfortably, your body will not allow you to go into those stretches. So this stretching of my abdomen here, we want to focus on that. We want to fill the lungs from the bottom top, not breathing with our chest, breathing from the top to the bottom. So really focus on bringing your belly button outward, expanding your belly, and exhaling. This stretches the actual diaphragm muscle, which is the muscle responsible for breathing. So really expand, really push that belly out, and exhale, let it retract. And press it out and relax. So now let's get into the actual gist of it. We're going to lie on our back here and practice this breathing. You'll notice it should be a little bit easier in a lying down position. Now, as a little bit of a cue, you're going to put your hand about a couple inches above your belly button. So when you are practicing abdominal breathing, you are trying to get your belly to reach to where your hand is. And every time, you can try to raise your hand a millimeter higher every time to really get the most stretch out of your diaphragm. So in through your nose here and exhale. So notice one of my other hands is on top of my chest. What I'm doing with that top hand is I'm monitoring to make sure that I'm not breathing with my chest. You may have a difficult time with this at the beginning, but bear with me. So place one of your hands on your belly, one on your chest if you haven't already. And now focus doing a 5-second breath. The first 4 seconds should come from your belly. And the last second should come from your chest rising. So inhale, 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 and exhale. So 5-second breath here. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, exhale. So really focus and imagine you're filling those lungs from the bottom up. So you do that by expanding your belly. Try to reach it up. And exhale. Really try to stretch. Really inhale, round that belly out. And exhale. Another visualization that tends to help people is imagining a baby sleeping. Because we all know when babies sleep, that's when the mechanics of the natural breathing mechanics are at their peak. They haven't learned bad habits because oftentimes, especially in our culture in North America, we feel that if we stick our belly out, then, it just deems us to be fat, it's not good, etc., etc. So quickly here, just to interrupt what I was saying, roll onto your stomach. And this is also another cue. So if you use your abdomen, your diaphragm muscle to breathe, you'll feel your body rising up and down. It'll be a little bit harder here to use your chest. So you can focus on just the up and down movement of your body, working that diaphragm. And inhale through your nose for about 5 seconds. And exhale. And inhale. And exhale. Inhale. And exhale. Inhale. And exhale. Inhale. And exhale. And now let's switch positions. We're going to go onto the side because it's important to try all different positions to really work that diaphragm. Now, gravity is also going to be on our side as well. So when we're breathing and using that diaphragm and allowing our bellies to stretch out, we're really going to be feeling that stretch. Try to inhale here, push to new limits if you can, and exhale. And inhale. And exhale. And inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. And inhale. And exhale. Roll over onto the other side, so you can just roll facing the back, but just so you can watch my belly, I'm going to rotate towards the other side. Inhale. And exhale. So you can inhale through your nose and exhale through your mouth. Or you can inhale through your mouth, exhale through your mouth as well, whatever feels most comfortable for you at this point in time. Just do that. Inhale, really try to feel that belly stretch. Exhale. And inhale. Exhale. Inhale. And exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Now try to push yourself up into a child's pose. You can either put your hands behind you like so, or rest them in front of your front of your body, over your head, whatever is most comfortable for you. And now with your abdomen compressed, try to use your belly and your diaphragm to breathe. It's a little bit more challenging. Inhale and exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale and exhale. Inhale. Really try to fill your belly up. And exhale. Make sure your forehead is relaxed on the floor. Inhale. There should be no tension in your body anywhere. Exhale. If this position is bothersome for your knees, you can go onto your belly again. Inhale. And exhale. Inhale. Exhale. We're going to finish off going up onto all fours, onto your hands and knees. So this is when gravity is really on our side. We're going to really stretch things out, let things fall right to the floor. And exhale. Inhale, really stick that belly out. Let gravity help you. And exhale. Inhale, fill those lungs from the bottom to the top. Exhale. We're almost done. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale and exhale. I want to congratulate you on completing this video for the first time, or congratulations if you have continued to work on this skill. Do not underestimate the power of diaphragmatic breathing. It is very, very important for many, many aspects of your body, literally ranging from your head to your toes. If you know anybody in your life who would benefit from this, just like you are, please share this video with them. Make a comment in the comments below. If you have any requests for videos to release in the future, please share that in the comments below. And if you can, please subscribe to this channel so you'll be notified of any new videos I do release in the future, and maybe even one you requested. Thanks for all your support.